This is a brand new 2015 Acura MDX. It has a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: a voice-activated navigation system, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a power driver's seat, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
John Eagle Acura is located at 16015 Katy Freeway in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.